Women's Premier League is back and bigger than ever. As we look ahead to much anticipated third season, it's set to kick off with a brand new twist in the action-packed cricket world. The Women's Premier League 2025. This year, the tournament is all set to bring the heat to two exciting new host cities, Lucknow and Vadodara. According to reports, the tournament is scheduled to begin in early February, around February 6th or 7th, with Lucknow's Ekana Stadium hosting the opening leg. And when the tournament heads into the final stretch, the action will shift to Kotambi Stadium in Vadodara. The 2024 season saw intense competition, with Royal Challengers Bangalore lifting their first ever WPL title and Delhi Capitals putting up an impressive fight. But in 2025, who will emerge champion? The stage is set and the stakes are higher than ever. As always, the WPL will feature 23 thrilling games, and these two venues will host all the action, spread across two exciting cities. A first for both Lucknow and Vadodara. The season will certainly mark a new chapter in the tournament's history. Ekana Stadium in Lucknow, known as the home of IPL's Lucknow Super Giants, will be buzzing with excitement for the UP Warriors, who will be looking to make a big statement this season. Led by Aussie superstar Alsa Healy, the UP Warriors have a strong squad, featuring big names like Deepti Sharma and Sophie. After a tough 2024 season, they are hungry for redemption and looking to go all the way in 2025. Meanwhile, the Gujarat Giants based in Vadodara will call Kotambi Stadium their home. The stadium, which recently hosted its first ever international match, will now set the stage for the Gujarat-based WPL franchisee. Led by Captain Beth Mooney, and the Gujarat Giants boost a dynamic squad featuring power hitters like Ashley Gardiner and Laura Wolvaert. After a disappointing finish last season, they are gearing up to turn things around in front of their home crowd. And it's not just about the top teams, the competition is fierce, with every franchisee aiming to make their mark. With a total of 23 games scheduled, the season will be jam-packed with excitement from start to finish. From explosive batting to incredible bowling, the WPL has proven to be a platform for showcasing the very best of women's cricket. And this year's lineup promises even more thrilling moments. Will UP Warriors and Gujarat Giants turn their fortunes around? Or will new champions rise to the occasion? One thing's for sure, fans are in for a cricketing spectacle. Stay tuned for WPL 2025 as the action is going to be unforgettable. Who will rise to the top in this exciting new chapter? Don't miss a moment of the Women's Premier League, coming to Lucknow and Vadodara this February. We'll be here bringing you all the updates and insights and behind the scenes action. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe Cricket Next for more cricket updates.